as the Lok Sabha elections are currently underway and parties are making big claims about reducing inflation if voted to power, the RBI has said extreme weather conditions along with prolonged geopolitical tensions may pose a risk to inflation. Remember, the RBI's warning comes at a time when the country is reeling under an intense heatwave condition, with the first heatwave-related death being reported recently from Odisha. The RBI also said that risk to inflation could keep crude oil prices volatile. Remember, in March, the inflation had eased to 4.9% after averaging 5.1% in the preceding 2 months.
The Reserve Bank of India in its April bulletin has highlighted that monetary policy must remain actively disinflationary to ensure the anchoring of inflationary expectations. Now, the central bank has noted that the treasury yields and the mortgage rates are ticking up in the major economies, and this is as the expectations of interest rate cuts are being paired by the financial markets globally. If you look at India, the rate transmission has been stronger in the case of public sector banks than among the private sector peers. And one of the examples of this is that the increase in the deposits and lending rates was high in the case of the public sector banks. And this is even as the lending rates of public sector banks remain lower than the private sector banks. On the heat wave, the central bank has said that there was a slightly later onset of the heat wave in 2024 as compared to 2022, and this year the heat wave has started in April, and this was in 2022, and this was in March. The high frequency indicators in the economy continue to show a sustained demand conditions in March 2024, but the extreme weather conditions, they are a red flag and they pose a risk to inflation, and this is along with the prolonged geopolitical tensions, and that could keep the global oil prices volatile.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.